Well, it's getting there. Old Slow Hand homemade mini mold. I got some chimneys I got to put on it, but this, tell you what, it's pretty cool though. The them lights, I cleaned the lens on my camera. The lights look a lot better like that. But it's kind of strange because I'm gonna put chimneys on it, but I'll be honest with you, there's some kind of Venturi effect going on, and the air is I'm sure it'll help a little bit, but it's kind of strange. There's not any air at all coming out to the side. It's almost like a Venturi. Lord of mercy. Slow Hand just got down.